thing about these holidays have been about the views. Is this Ghana? FYI, this is Ghana. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite, and today we are in Keta. Correction, we are in Dzita, not Keta. Doing Dechi and Abobitati with Akle. We are here with Auntie Jifa and Linda, her daughter. So let's get right into it. As to make the Dechi, we can either use red oil or vegetable oil. But then we are going with the red oil because there's always something to red oil that makes the food taste spectacular. So here we are. Let me know when it's enough.
Yeah,
Everything?
Wait on it.
Everything?
Yeah.
Everything? Okay.
Okay.
Everything goes in.
Why not you slice the onion?
Sure. Yes, we don't use chopping boards here, guys. No chopping boards here. She said its onions are ready to go. So here we go. Tomatoes and okay. So do some people also cook it without tomatoes?
No, they don't.
Everyone has tomatoes.
This one is like okra soup.
Yes.
Yeah. Another one is like okra soup. The okra soup
No
tomatoes.
So how much of this should we put in?
Yes.
That's the little. So right now this is the stew for the Dechi, and then this is our fish for the abobitadi. This is abobitadi. This is the abobi. Okay, and it's not the tadi, the stew.
Tadi is pepper.
Oh, okay. So today I'm here with my cousin Marimag. Check her out on Instagram. We are learning how to cook the Keta way. Not the Keta way. We are learning how to cook the Anglo. We are learning how to cook Petri. Now, what did they say it's called? Petri Dechi. Petri Dechi. And as we always say, Angono meaning ono. So you hold this side. Ah, okay. Stew for the Dechi, and it's sizzling hot. We have the beef and we are adding the crab to the beef.
8 years.
So after we devein it, we're taking off all the waste on the side and devein it. Mommy is kind of stir-frying, like dry, what you call it, I don't know what. Mommy, so is this to give it flavor or to take out the sand for it? Or make it just dry?
Yes, make it just dry.
Okay, just make it dry. Okay guys, so now this brown pepper, and you know it has the seeds in there, so she has a colander and she's going to pour it right in there. Some more fish here. What fish is this? This in Ghana we call it the emule. You're adding the ground pepper to the crab and the beef. Oh, you have to strain it. We're going to put some tomato paste in. And you add a little water. Ginger powder. It's emule. onions into the stew. There's F3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys actually start before you put the onions in.
Yeah.
Mom has given me the honor to try it, so let's taste it. I tasted all the flavors. This is what you say.
Hang on, no meaning on no. Hey! So that's the second wash in the salt water.
So it looks like we're having two different sauces going on. So you saw this is how we started it. I started with the palm oil, put the sliced or chopped onions in there, then added my tomatoes and got this tomato base. Then I got another pot on the other side, as you can see, and with this, we put steamed beef, the crabs and all that in there. And added everything as it went on. So we have two tomato bases going. Now mommy is about to put the abobi in this sauce. Okay. So which one for the abobi tadi?
You add it.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Nice. See how she's popping it? We have all the flavor.
You need to pop the peps.
Okay, so now you see, after that dry stir fry, she's adding water. Oh, it's salt. And this process is also to clean the fish. It's going to clean the abobi some more because the abobi is very sandy. It is a process to separate the sand from the abobi.
So Mama is mixing the dough right now.
Yeah. She did it today. Yeah.
Okay. Put some salt into the water for you. Actually, bring it to a boil. Meanwhile,
wow. Look at that. Look, it's showing.
it's oddly satisfying.
So the trick is to grate it.
On the smaller side.
So mommy didn't put palm or anything in this one. The okra, those chemicals and white powder and everything. It's just okra and water. How natural it is.
I'm telling you, if your okra does not draw like this, are you even having okra at all? Look at in the soup. So your water needs to be boiling.
We are making abobi tadi the second way. This is the second way of making it. So this is just like making abum, right, in the asanka. But you can also do abum. You can do contour stew. So this is the abobi tadi, but the stewed way. And this is abobi tadi, the ground way. They grind it in the asanka.
food is ready. Over here we have the fresh abobitadi, which is similar to our bom. And then here is our akle. And then here is our fetridechi. And here's the abobitadi, but a stew version. Let's go. Wash your hands. Wash your hands with soap and water.
So this is it. You have to swallow it. I think I'll start with the tree. This is good.
Swallow me.
And now let me try. Let me try that.